Rocky versus Piper. Automatic. Did they both choose Hawaii?
Yeah. They both together. Why do you guys always choose the looking one? That's the one with the best elevation and color.
Yeah, make sure you guys look different. Oh, okay. It's alright, whatever you choose, I guess. I think there's only a couple of girls.
I'm a boy, and I don't really care.
You're a boy on this one?
Yeah, I'm the red one.
Oh, okay. Come on, man. Good job. Get it going again. That was really close. She passed you right at the end, kid. Okay, let's get it going again.
Okay, heel.
Let's rock and roll one more time for the ladies. That was a good pass right at the end, huh?
Yeah.
Let Rocky pick.
Florida.
Hold on, Piper.
Florida.
Just you pick first. Okay, now fine. Okay, did it automatically pick for her? Okay. Okay, let's keep our eyes on our own screen.
Okay. Piper, whenever you want to go fast like this. Wait, can you?
7th and 8th place.
Leo, whenever you think I should go fast like it, okay? Okay.
5th place. Nice driving. A little bit to the right. There you go, not too much. 5th place, 6th place. Get her, she's right in front of you.
Leo, push it.
There you go. Careful. Pass her up. 6th place.
Piper, I can only do it a couple of times. Oh, what the? Shortcut.
Rocky's in 8th place. You're in 5th. place. Nice. First place. Back to third. They're right in front of you. Pass everybody up in front of you. Oh, you just knocked her over. There's Rocky, number 3, in third place. Be careful, not too high. Get off the rail. A little bit to the lean, a little bit to the right. Yep, just minor movements, not too big of movements. Nice, good timing. And you passed her. Oh, she's right next to you. Ah, Rocky just hit you out of the way.
I can only do it one more time, and that's the most important.
On a straightaway, really. Don't follow her necessarily. Get off the wall. Well, 8th place. You got eaten up.
I got 5th place.
Okay, you won head-to-head battle. Okay, so let's do the boys now, right? Uh-oh, you're okay. You'll live. I'm angry. I'm mad. Okay.
Thank you guys. Now let's for the boys' turn.
Okay, the boys' turn. Okay. So this one is E.L. versus Doc. Okay.
Chicago. No, wait. Yo, give me the card. Give me the card.
There you go. We'll do head-to-head. We'll see who's gonna win it.
I'm going with.
So in this corner we have cheerleader Piper and bad boy scooter boy. Oh, that's motorcycle boy. Here we go. Take it easy, E.L. Oh, you just blew Doc away. Doc's in 8th place. You're in 7th. There you go. Hit the turbos. Catch up with those guys. There you go. Nice. Doc just went by you. That's him. 3rd place. Come on, E.L. Come on. Hit the turbos. Oh, nice. 7th place. You're right on him. 6th place. Head to head. He's popping a wheelie. You got him. 5th place. Oh, he got you back. Woo! Head to head, Doc and E.L. Doc's on the outside of you. You pass him. 5th place.
What?
There he is. Don't brake, bud. Don't brake. Stay on the gas. Forget it. Just pull it back and hold it. There you go. Don't pull it. Just hold it. Pull it back. Checkpoint. There it is. Passed up 2 people. When you land, 5th place. Doing good. Just passed up everybody. 2nd place. Doc is back in 7th. Hit the turbos.
Okay.
Woo-hoo! Yeah! Get him.
Okay, I'm on the grass. And I'm cutting grass.
5th place. Oh, head-to-head winner. How did you get him? I didn't even know you passed him. All right, there. This team won that head-to-head. Okay, whoa, okay. Okay, let's do one more and see if Doc can actually make a comeback here.
No, never.
Never?
Never.
Okay, so we'll see if Doc can redeem himself, right, Piper? Okay. Yeah. That's dirty driving right there. That's not good. Ah! All right, Doc, how you feeling, man? Are you gonna do better on this one?
Maybe, I don't know. I still don't know how to do this.
You're kind of getting owned, pretty badly lately.
I still don't know how to do this.
Just pull it back. Yeah, pull it back the entire time. Choose your guy. Okay. And don't move so much. Just do micro movements. Don't go all the way like crazy like that. There you go. And pull it back and hold it. There you go, 120. There you go.
Rough movement. 14 seconds. Yes!
5th place. E.L's behind you. Oh, he just went by you. Get him.
Gosh.
Don't let off the accelerator like that. Yeah, don't do that, because then you go backwards in miles per hour. Just pull it back and hold it. That's it. There you go. 140, 150, 170. Woo! 4th.
Oh.
You're in front of E.L. E.L just passes you up.
Oh well. Come on.
Come on now. Almost ready to finish. Keep your eyes on your own screen.
Push it.
Again! Doug does not redeem himself. Team number 1 loses 2 times in a row. It's okay. And the winners are E.L and Piper. All right, guys, sign off, man. Thank everybody. Thank everybody. Thank everybody.
Bye.
All right, see ya. See ya.